Berenson Fluid Power's dedicated hard chrome plating facilities are optimised to support our hydraulic repair divisions with high quality, quick turnaround resurfacing of hydraulic cylinder rods up to 12 metres in length. With facilities in Sydney, Perth, Melbourne and Newcastle, Berenson is among the largest and most advanced hard chrome plating operations in the country, offering both hard chrome plating and sulfamate nickel plating services. Our facilities are outfitted with the stripping tanks, cylindrical grinding machines, state-of-the-art purpose-built electroplating tanks of various dimensions, and precise linishing machines needed to strip, plate and repair rods up to 12 metres in length and 600 millimetres in diameter. Extensive upgrades to our Sydney chroming facility carried out in 2022 include the installation of purpose-built electroplating tanks with state-of-the-art design and technology. Most notably, the upgrades included a custom-engineered 360-degree horizontal rotation chrome plating tank, the only one of its kind in Australia. This system features a conforming anode configuration, delivering optimal current density with ideal anode to cathode ratio for reduced contaminants and improved adhesion. In conjunction with rod rotation, this ensures uniform chrome deposition along the entire length of the rod, achieving chrome deposit depths over 200 microns, 4 times greater than average, for optimal service life of rods up to 12 metres. Industrial hard chrome plating is an integral part of many hydraulic components, where tight tolerances and extreme operational stresses place an even greater emphasis on high quality, precision hard chrome finish surfaces. Highly trained, skilled technicians employ decades of knowledge, combined with world-class electroplating technology to achieve an end product that performs to the manufacturer's expectations. For quality control, the entire process is governed by a fully digital workflow management system, using tablet computers to ensure adherence to repair procedures and streamline repairs. With superior quality and superior capacity, Berenson can provide hydraulic cylinder repairs that last longer and perform better in the long run, because every second counts.